Hi everybody. Here's the letter of the day. O! This is the letter O. This is the letter O. This is a capital O. This is a lowercase o. Let's practice naming this letter. What letter is this? O! What letter is this? O. O's can make several different sounds when they are in words, but the sounds we'll practice are O and They say O like in the letter or in the word open. They say like in the word onion. Let's practice saying the sound that the letter O represents. O says the sound O. O says the sound O. I have some things in my house that begin with the letter O. First, I have an oven mitt. Oven mitt. A very special student gave this oven mitt to me. It keeps my hand warm when I'm taking hot things out of the oven. I also have an onion. Onion. I have olives. I love olives. Do you like olives? Olives. I have a toy that is orange. Orange starts with the letter O. Orange. I have this box, and the word open starts with the letter O. Should I open the box? Open. Ooh, there's some treasure in there. Open. Let's practice writing the letter O. First I will write on my paper, then we will practice in the air. O's are fun to write. A capital O, an uppercase O, is just a big curve all the way around. A capital O is a big curve all the way around. A lowercase o is just a little curve all the way around. Here's a lowercase o. Here's another lowercase o. All right, let's practice an uppercase O in the air. Remember, our circle is going to be big because it's uppercase. Let's make a big circle. Ready? Go. O. Let's make one more big one. One big uppercase O. Ready? Go. O. Now let's make a little circle for our lowercase o. Ready? Go. O. One more. O. Nice job making O's. The last thing I'm going to do today is to make a list of some of the O things I found in my house. When I'm finished, you can go find some O things in your house. Maybe you have some of the same things as me, and you can make a list or talk about them on your communication device. I can write the word olive. V. I can write the word onion. Oh, there's two O's in onion. I also hear that the O's make different sounds. In the word olive, O says ah. In the word onion, O says onion. The word open. Open. That says even a different sound. Olive, onion, O, open. Thanks for following along today. I hope you have a wonderful O day.